Joking, of course. Let's see, from you, young lady, how about a dangerous activity two people might do together? Skydiving. I was going to say, we actually get skydiving every once in a while. And how about something else? What was that, baby? Munching?
Zip lining.
Oh, I heard hunting. Let's have hunting and zip lining.
Zip hunting.
Zip hunting. Hunt lining.
I took the gay zip lining.
Hey, how are things?
Chance, I was wondering when you were going to get here.
I want to hunt some deer.
Oh, dear.
From above.
I've never zip line hunted before. How do you do it?
Well, you get on the zip line, you are on my back with a gun. Wait a minute. Let me rethink this.
Are there normally this many jungle birds out here? You!
I just see the one. I haven't got a problem with that. I'm going to shoot a cable across the canyon so we can zip line clear across the canyon. Stand back. I'm going to urinate first. Boy, I got to pee. All right, I'm done with all that going around. Let me explain to you how this works. I'll put it in a cannon with gunpowder. So it's going to be actually loud and not liquid-like.
I'll believe it when I hear it.
Oh, you will. Cover your ears.
I brought a cable gun. You want to hear a loud cable gun?
Please.
I almost switched to a satellite gun, but I kept the cable gun.
Boom! All right.
It's about to hit the tree. And I pee.
Okay. So we're not going to use my boat?
No, we're not.
Good, because I went about a foot. All right, I brought all my guns to get my case out.
Do you hear some natives up there? They're pygmies.
Sounds like that one bird again. All right, I don't know which gun to use.
What are we hunting?
Oh, deer, of course. It's deer season. I'm going to put on my deer outfit. I cannot stop urinating. I ruined this deer outfit. I paid $1 for that. I'm going to have to go with the bad jokes. The sounds aren't happening for me.
I paid a lot more dough for mine.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right, let's get on the zip line.
I wish we were shooting something that made noise.
Oh,
Look, a lion!
All the animals seem lethargic. I don't even think we need to shoot them. I think we can just put the guns away and walk up to the guys and slash their throats. I don't think they can run faster than us.
Hello!
Now, you yell hello and all I hear is low. Where the hell did hell go? All right, well, I'm going to set some explosives so we can... Listen, something in the brush. Once you hit 50.
I'm pretty sure that's not the zip line they meant.
No. All right, I'm going to set some explosives.
Explosives?
Yeah, that way we won't have to hunt. We can just blow the shit out of the whole forest. Now, these are odd explosives. They're not really that loud. They do a lot of damage. I'm going to set them on urinate.
Oh, PMP.
All right. Deer I've ever seen. Hello, dear. Your echo finally came back.
I think your deer is trying to talk to you. Talk to him again.
Really? Oh dear, what words of wisdom do you have?
Don't shoot me.
Get him closer.
I didn't hear you, dear.
Don't shoot me.
Now!
Oh, that was the cable gun.
You shot the bush!
Oh,
You missed him! You missed the deer completely!
I shot the bush.
I'm just gonna break his neck. I can't stop peeing, you do it!
I'm just gonna pee on him.
Check on it. Wow!
I broke his neck.
Sure did! Now,
Oh, snap, dear.
I'm gonna put him on the front of the car. We didn't bring a car. I ziplined in. We haven't even...
Gotta be careful because it's a little bit bloody and that is...
Now the zipline left. How the hell are we gonna get out of here?
Do you hear a helicopter?
It's back.
I hear a helicopter.
It's my heart. No, I think I'm dehydrated. I peed so much.
I need to get help here. I've got a megaphone. I'm gonna dial it loud and I'm gonna call for help. I'm gonna explain what's happening here. In a detailed way.
Please, come help me. This man is dying. He's falling over. He's on his back. Quiet. Help, help. He's on his back. Quiet. Woo. Help, help.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I panicked. I tend to panic. You pee, I panic.
Look, we better dress this deer. It's gonna go bad soon.
I'm gonna zip over there.
Did you yell Bazango? On such a short zip trip?
I was barely able to get it out.
Alright. It's not a very big deer now. It's taking all the guts out.
I think we're supposed to leave the guts and bring the deer.
Okay, I got him by the antlers.
Let's zip line down to my Jeep, way down there. Do you see it?
I see it.
I'm gonna zip line all the way down it, land in the Jeep, immediately start it, and peel out.
I might just stay here and pee, I'm not sure. Thank you, guys.